In a world where the biggest problem is distractions, the most valuable asset is focus. Focus is the only thing we have less and less, while information and opportunities are increasing every minute. For the last few years, I have been researching how to be more focused, and this is what I have found out. First, the most important aspect is having too many options. For example, you can create content on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, but using all these platforms at once works like double-edged sword. The less options we have, the more focused we will become. Therefore, it will be easier to grow faster using only one platform. So the first advice is focus on one platform that you think is the most beneficial and delete others. When you wake up and the only app you have on your phone is YouTube, the more likely you will actually start creating on it. Second way you can improve your focus by activating endorphins in your body is doing a 30-minute workout in the morning. It is scientifically proven that when you put your body under a stress, which is what workout does, your body produces endorphins that will make you feel better, more focused, less anxious, and less depressed. Everyone knows the feeling after a good workout, and this is the actual science behind it, which will give you the positive emotion boost that you can use to be laser focused. Third advice is to avoid inflammation by fasting in the morning. Fasting increases your focus. When you're hungry, your brain will use more power to be focused. Your brain will get creative because it needs calories to survive, and just like our ancestors went hunting for the food, you can use the same mechanics to have more brain power. After you eat, your brain is satisfied. It understands that you will survive for the next 20 plus hours, so there is no need for extra brain power. Fasting will set your brain into a survival mode. So I recommend you fast until 12 o'clock in the morning, so your whole morning is as productive as it can be. Here I will list all the best foods that prevent inflammation, so even if you don't want to skip breakfast, include these foods that make your brain more focused and avoid inflammation. Third life hack is avoid junk food. And there is one way you can avoid junk food more easily. As I already said, when you work out, your body will release endorphins that are good for your well-being. When this happens and the endorphins are released, you will not crave all the junk food, sugar, and dopamine releasing stuff. People consume junk food because they are stressed and unhappy. When you start workout, your body will reward you with the different feel-good chemicals. You will feel like avoiding junk food is 10 times easier. It goes like this. You basically start with pain, which is any kind of workout. Your body feels stress on the muscles, and now it releases the feel-good endorphins. You get high of them and feel good, but if you start with pleasure and dopamine, later on you will feel pain and inability to be productive, and your focus will be destroyed. This means that when you are doing the hard and painful stuff first in the morning, you are instantly rewarding yourself and avoiding distractions. After you follow these steps, your whole day will seem easier. Focus will improve and your energy levels will be higher than anyone around you. So I hope this advice helps you. You just have to try it for a few days. Let me know in the comments if this helps you, and thanks for watching.